Hello, this is Jake from Full Access UTV. Today I'm here to show you our flip forward and quick release seats. So basically you got a real simple bracket kit. If you're on the side of the trail, whatever, you need to get something out of the back, get your lunch like us. This is our electric cooker, plugs in your cigarette lighter. We throw it back there and we can access anything in the back from our bags, PRP bags, anything you may have back there, but the Kawasaki, that's where a majority of the storage is. If you actually want to pull the seat out to wash it, something like that, pull out the factory front piece. You're going to pull two pins. One of the tricks makes life a little simpler is pull up on the back, take the weight off of it because they are still just pins. And pull your seat out. It's pretty much that simple. Now you can clean it, do any detailing you want to do in there or anything like that, but it makes life a lot simpler. Kawasaki kind of missed the boat on that one, and it's definitely a must-do item. So thanks for watching, guys. Do the like and subscribe. We'll keep content coming. So thank you. Appreciate it.